Welcome to the architectural plan project for ARC 1015, our final project of the year, Rain Water Leader Plan Detail. So the overview on this one is we're looking at the roof drain here, the roof plan with the roof drains on it. And we're considering the rainwater leaders that come down from those roof drains, and as they go down through the building, they need to be kind of taken care of architecturally. So you can see how we have a roof drain here and here and here. In our previous project, we had the roof drain here and here. This one was here. But it's just letting you know that you can move those roof drains around a little bit for you to work with your design. So, and then we're looking at design considerations. Many times we're looking at working with consultants and things get moved around and changed. So we have some flexibility on the roof. We're going to look at that here in a second, but it's we're going to be locating our rainwater leaders in service and storage rooms and avoid locating within corridor spaces. So that's just good design, good practice. So here we have the partial roof plan showing those different locations that we can have for the roof drain. And so it's just basically we've got a if you recall from our steel plan, we've got a girder truss or girder beam going here, and then we've got some tie joists that tie in there and the joists and stuff. So we can't go down through the joists or the beam, so we've got to go kind of off to the side of those. So we can put our roof drains kind of in this area, or we can move it down here for this area 3. We can move it down here and we can have the roof drains located down here. So we have 8 possible locations to locate our roof drain, and therefore dictating where the rainwater leader is going to be down below for when you go to locate your architectural walls. Okay, so those are some of the design changes that are going to happen. Each and every one of us are going to have different designs. Right, so there's 8 possible drain locations in this area for you to kind of get your roof drain and your rainwater leader to come down through the building. Here's an example of a corridor, right? We wouldn't want to, we have a rainwater leader coming down at this area, right? So we go and we say, well, we don't want to come into the corridor. We have an option to put it here, here, or here, or here. So what we do is we bring it into the room. It's a storage room, so that's a good little spot for it. And we have the rainwater leader there. So what our objective is, we're going to do a plan detail, architectural plan detail, of those 3 rainwater leaders and how they relate to the walls in our project. Okay, so now some of you might remember your concept plan and your preliminary plan, or they might be back in your locker, I'm not sure. Anyway, this year it's a little different. So if you can work from your plan, great, because you're going to need to do these rainwater leader details for a project that we're doing in SAL 110, computer applications, in the spring term. So if you can do your own custom to your design, that's good right now. So yes, work at that. If you can't, then just use the existing, sample details I have in the project, and you can use those 3 samples to work from. Okay, so this is what the drawing is going to look like. It's a little sketch. It's typical. It's just like maybe sometimes these get overlooked on the project, and then you have to send them out as a little addendum sketch. So you'll send it out so that they know how to frame that and what you're thinking, right? So we're going to look at it as we're just setting up 3 little addendum sketches for our rainwater leaders that maybe didn't get picked up during the design process. All right, so we're going to let them know where we want it and how we want it to be, the drywall to go around it. So the procedure is there's going to be an AutoCAD file on Brightspace for you to work from. Okay, so open up that file and you'll see that there's instructions in there how to complete the 3 drains, rainwater leader details. I'm going to do another video above and beyond this one that you'll be able to see. I'll do the actual detail in AutoCAD for you. So what do you need to produce is the 3 sketches. You're just going to make a PDF of those sketches. I've got a little handout in the AutoCAD file on how to make a batch file. So I want those 3 sketches into one file. Okay. So anyway, that's the project. I hope you enjoy doing it. Good luck. Happy drawing.